the tour of what I have been through, what neurosurgeon have been through, and what the future of neurosurgeons is going to be, the way we look at it from the previous time. Now, when I was asked to talk about it, I thought I had nothing to talk about. To be honest, I felt when there's a conference that who only have a little bit of experience and a little bit of skills. Cambridge, who was the only foreign delegate from Cambridge, and I am sitting here. Now,
opportunities to operate and train the people. As the specialty is expanding, number of trainees is expanding, so you don't have place practically to train them. How many people you can take within one day, how many people you can safely train. So how can you come and circumvent that problem? Then is the evolving landscape of the expanding, and then there's another field which is developing in emerging